Hello children, in our previous class we have studied about the earth. Now we are going to study the unique features of the earth. We all know that the earth is the only planet where life exists and the planet that supports life. So let's see what are the unique features of earth that helps lives to exist on the earth. Life is possible on the earth due to presence of its air, water and moderate climate conditions. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air that is called as atmosphere. So atmosphere means a layer of gases that surrounds the earth. The air we breathe, that air comes from that layer. So air we breathe is rich in oxygen. Oxygen and nitrogen gases are present in the atmosphere, which helps us to exist on the earth. Next feature is our earth is not too hot and not too cold, because our earth is not so far from the sun and it is not too near from the sun. So it is a moderate temperature which supports the life. Earth provides light and heat. Both are essential for the life. Our earth has a protective blanket around it, which is called as ozone layer, which protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Ozone layer is present in the atmosphere. The basic need for life is water. So the earth has 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with the water, which is the basic need of life. Water is in a liquid form. Nearly 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. The rest of it is land. That land is enough to support all of us. We human beings live on land. A lot of the land is covered by soil. So we grow plants in a soil. Next about oceans. So large bodies of saline water, so saline means salt water, that surrounded a major portion of the earth's surface are called oceans. So there are 5 oceans in the world and they are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Atlantic and Indian Ocean are almost same in the size. Next comes Southern Ocean. So it has 6% of water. Now next one is the Arctic Ocean, which is the smallest ocean. Next comes continents. Large areas of land on the earth's surface are called continents. So nearly 71% of the earth's surface is covered by water. So the remaining portion of the earth has a very large land masses, which is called as continent. So there are total 7 continents and they are Asia, Africa, South America, North America, Europe and Australia. So this is all about unique features of the earth, continents and oceans. So in our next class we will study about moments of the earth. So thank you for watching my video.